you ever wondered about the difference between research and quality improvement, or QI, in the world of healthcare and beyond? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll demystify the differences between these two concepts. Of course, there are some similarities between the two. To start, they both may involve implementing a new intervention. They both involve planned data collection, visualization, and analysis, and both may result in a publication or presentation. So, what makes them different? Let's take a look at three main differences between QI and research. The main difference between quality improvement and research is their purpose. QI is all about using proven, effective practices to improve a process within a particular institution. The goal is to improve and sustain change in your organization. Research, on the other hand, is more about finding new general knowledge, and teams conduct research by testing hypotheses and drawing conclusions. When you're testing interventions in a research project, you're ultimately trying to prove something. Think of it this way: QI is like tending to a home garden, nurturing existing plants to make them flourish. And research is like botanical exploration, seeking new species and studying their characteristics. Another important difference between QI and research is the design. QI is systematic, but it's more flexible and adaptive. In a gardening QI project, you might try changing the time of day that you water your garden to see if it helps prevent brown spots on your plant's leaves. Research has a more rigid design with fixed protocols. A research project might prove whether a particular species has medicinal properties. It would involve test groups, and it would most likely involve randomization. Lastly, research can pose a higher risk for patients since you're testing a hypothesis. Because of this, patients often have to consent to participating. In QI, the risk to patients isn't greater than in the normal delivery of care. Returning to our plants, we can all agree that testing the medicinal properties of plants poses a greater risk than changing the home garden watering schedule. Let's look back at what we've learned. Despite their commonalities, research and quality improvement differ in purpose, design, and risk to patients. Keep in mind that institutions interpret these two terms differently when it comes to publishing, so check with your local institutional review board, or IRB, for more information. Interested in learning more about quality improvement? Visit our QI education page using the link below.